Ever wondered if your grooming routine could be letting you down without you even realizing it? Imagine starting your day feeling like you've conquered the world, but by noon, you notice something off: a slight itch, an unwanted odor, or a look in the mirror that reveals a less than perfect appearance. I used to feel the same way, despite thinking I had a solid grooming routine. Then I discovered a few key adjustments that changed everything, from how I showered to the products I used. Trust me, these tweaks not only boosted my confidence, but also made me feel cleaner and more put together throughout the day. Stay with me till the end of this video, and I'll walk you through every step of a comprehensive grooming routine that will leave you looking and feeling your best every day. Introduction to grooming. So, what does a perfect grooming routine look like? It's more than just splashing water on your face and using a random soap. Let's break down the ultimate grooming routine for every man, starting with the basics and moving into advanced tips. Importance of proper showering. First things first, the shower. You might think there's no wrong way to shower, but many of us make simple mistakes that can affect our skin and overall hygiene. Using water that's too hot, not scrubbing effectively, or using harsh soaps can leave your skin dry and irritated. Let's delve into how to optimize your shower routine. Body care essentials. To start, you'll need 3 essentials: a natural body wash, a back scrubber, and an exfoliator. Each of these items plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy, clean skin. A good body wash will cleanse without stripping away natural oils, while a back scrubber ensures you reach every part of your body. Exfoliators help remove dead skin cells, promoting smoother, healthier skin. Natural body wash vs. commercial products. Why choose a natural body wash over a commercial one? Natural body washes often contain fewer harsh chemicals and are gentler on your skin. Brands like Native offer products that are effective and smell great without the risk of irritation. If you have sensitive skin, consider using a castile soap. It's simple, natural, and just as effective. Effective use of a back scrubber. Using a back scrubber can seem straightforward, but there's a technique to maximize its benefits. Start by applying your body wash to the scrubber. Then reach over your shoulder and scrub in a circular motion. Make sure to cover the entire back area, focusing on spots that are typically hard to reach. Choosing the right exfoliator. Exfoliating is key to removing dead skin cells and promoting a healthy glow. You can choose between a silicone exfoliator or a loofah. Silicone exfoliators are gentle and easy to clean, while loofahs offer a more intense scrub. Whichever you choose, ensure you use it regularly to maintain smooth skin. Hair care. Separating shampoo and conditioner. Now, let's talk hair care. Using a combined shampoo and conditioner might seem convenient, but it often isn't the best choice for your hair. Separate products ensure your hair gets the specific care it needs. Use a shampoo to cleanse and a conditioner to nourish and protect your hair. Optimal frequency for shampooing. One common mistake is over-shampooing. Shampooing too frequently can strip your scalp of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Aim to shampoo your hair only when it feels particularly greasy. This might be once or twice a week for some, or even less frequently for others. Daily hair conditioning routine. Conditioning, on the other hand, can be done daily. Use a conditioner every day with cold water to keep your hair moisturized and healthy. Cold water helps seal the hair cuticle, making your hair look shinier and less frizzy. Post-shower skin moisturizing. After showering, your skin might feel dry, especially if you use hot water. Replenish the moisture by applying a natural moisturizer. This should be done every day, right after you get out of the shower, to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Essential tools for mouth hygiene. Good grooming isn't just about your skin and hair. Oral hygiene is equally important. For this, you'll need 3 essentials: an electric toothbrush, dental floss, and a tongue scraper. These tools help maintain a clean and healthy mouth, contributing to your overall grooming routine. Electric toothbrush vs. manual toothbrush. An electric toothbrush is more effective at removing plaque and keeping your teeth clean compared to a manual one. It also makes the process easier and ensures you brush for the recommended 2 minutes. Importance of dental floss. Flossing is crucial for removing food particles and plaque from between your teeth, areas that your toothbrush can't reach. Make it a habit to floss daily to prevent gum disease and maintain overall oral health. Using a tongue scraper effectively. A tongue scraper helps remove bacteria and debris from your tongue, which can cause bad breath. Use it every day after brushing your teeth to ensure your mouth stays fresh and clean. Body grooming basics. Next, let's move on to body grooming. Trimming body hair is a key part of the grooming routine. It helps you stay clean and reduces body odor. The right tools and techniques make this process easy and effective. Selecting the best trimmer. For trimming body hair, I recommend the Gillette Intimate Trimmer with a 2 to 3 mm guard. This trimmer is gentle and efficient, reducing the risk of irritation and providing a clean, even trim. Managing body hair frequency. How often you need to trim depends on how fast your hair grows. Some people might need to trim every couple of days, while others can go a week or more. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Fingernail and toenail care. Don't overlook your nails. Regularly trimming your fingernails and toenails is essential for hygiene and appearance. Use a high-quality manicure set to ensure a clean, precise cut. Proper nail cutting technique. When cutting your nails, follow this simple technique. Wash your hands, clean out any dirt from under your nails, cut straight across the middle, then make 2 diagonal cuts on each side. Finally, file your nails in one direction and moisturize your hands. Benefits of high-quality manicure sets. Investing in a high-quality manicure set, like the one from Mr. Green, ensures you have the right tools for the job. These sets are designed to cut through even the toughest nails without damaging them. Selecting the right fragrance. A good fragrance is the finishing touch to your grooming routine. Choose a scent that suits you and makes you feel confident. Advantages of fragrance subscription services. Fragrance subscription services like Scentbird allow you to try different high-end fragrances without committing to a full bottle. This way, you can discover what works best for you without breaking the bank. How to apply fragrances properly. Applying fragrance correctly is an art. Spray on pulse points like your wrists, neck, and behind your ears. This ensures the scent lasts longer and is more noticeable. Maintaining good fragrance hygiene. Don't overdo it with the fragrance. A few sprays are enough. Too much can be overwhelming and counterproductive. Grooming tips for different hair types. Different hair types require different care. For example, curly hair might need more moisture and less frequent washing, while fine hair might need a lighter conditioner. Tailor your hair care routine to your specific needs. Thank you for sticking with me through this comprehensive grooming routine. Remember, the key to effective grooming is consistency and using the right product. With these tips, you'll not only look great, but also feel confident and ready to take on the day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more grooming tips and advice. See you in the next